Whether you just returned from a conservation volunteering trip in Sri Lanka or had the time of your life studying abroad in Italy, I'm sure there is someone out there interested in your experience. As a community of travelers, we love to hear real and true travel stories and recaps of your experience, from the good, the bad, and everything in between. Here's how to leave a review on Go Overseas. You'll want to head over to gooverseas.com and hover over to the community tab. Scroll down to write a review. You'll be brought to this page. Here, you'll search for your program by typing in the provider and the location where you did your program. Once you put that in, hit search and it will generate program options. Choose the program you did by clicking leave a review. Here you'll fill in your information and click the next step. Here is where you'll start your review. You'll begin by writing a title. Think of a title that will draw someone's attention. It's okay if you aren't super creative, but something that will tell us what's to come. Try avoiding writing things like review or my review as the title. Here, you'll rate the program on specific program offerings, like impact, support, and your overall experience. Make sure to be honest and fair. It really helps our travelers. After the rating scale, you'll be brought to where you will start writing your review. Keep this in mind if you're in need of a little inspo. Think of what advice you would give to a good friend interested in your program. What stories would you tell? What photos would you share? Do you have any tips you would recommend? Here are some of our guidelines. Be personal. Write as if you were talking to your bestie about your time. Don't sugarcoat it. Mentioning the things that didn't go perfectly is okay. Offering constructive criticism not only helps fellow travelers make a more informed decision, but it helps your program provider make improvements. Be nice. If you don't recommend a program, that's okay. But make sure you help fellow travelers understand why by explaining what made it so negative. And lastly, be substantial but to the point. For a more in-depth guideline, make sure you click Guide to Writing a Helpful Review. Once you're done writing, select the types of travel that apply to the program. It helps travelers know if they would be a good match based on their travel styles. The next section is the pros and cons section. And you don't have to include any pros or cons, but they really help capture what you liked and didn't like about a program. And it's super helpful for our travelers. In the content section, you'll add pictures and videos from your time abroad. It helps make the experience more tangible for future travelers. Think of your most emotive pictures or videos that capture your experience. We love to share photos, videos, and reviews from our community on our website and social media. So make sure to select this box to share your adventures across our platforms and be part of our Go Review of the Week. But we respect your privacy, so if you don't want your videos or photos to be shared, make sure you opt out. Once you fill in all the necessary information, make sure to select Submit. But there is one final step. You'll receive an email for you to confirm your review. Once you do that, your review will go up on our site.